she was the princess. I can't believe it. I must have sounded so stupid to her. Abu, down here. Hey, come on, help me out of these. Hey, she was in trouble. She was worth it. Don't worry, Abu, I'll never see her again. I'm a street rat, remember? And there's a law. She's got to marry a prince. She deserves a prince. I'm a fool.
You're only a fool if you give up, boy.
Who are you?
A lowly prisoner like yourself. But together, perhaps we can be more.
I'm listening.
There is a cave, boy. A cave of wonders, filled with treasures beyond your wildest. Treasure enough to impress even your princess, I'd wager.
Jafar, can you hurry up? I'm dying in here.
But the law says that only a prince can...
You've heard of the golden rule, haven't you? Whoever has the gold makes the rules.
So why would you share all this wonderful treasure with me?
I need a young pair of legs and a strong back to go in after it.
One problem. It's out there, we're in here.
Things aren't always what they seem. So, do we have a deal?